Good morning, dear students. Last week I've given you the homework of the exercises that was on page number 130 and 131 and even the page number 129, right? We already discussed that the story, right? We hear the incident actually, and based on that, exercise was given to write the numbers, right, that which things happens first. So here uh, we are going to solve it. So the last one, the bird flew away, that was given already. So you just check your answers. The first sentence will be the children saw a bird circling in their classroom. Then what happened? The bird hurt itself with a fan. Then Navjot and Harbhajan quickly brought water in a bowl. Then Peter lovingly patted the bird and the bird flew away. Okay, fine. Here this exercise was given. It was told you that what Chandur Dhobi is doing with his donkey, that you have to write. In the first picture, he gives the bath to his donkey. Here he is feeding the grass. Here he gives him water to drink and put a garland. Garland means ahar. Okay. So put a garland on him. Fine. The other exercise was, do you or any of your neighbors have a pet? Which one? If you don't have, please write no. If you or your neighbor is having any pet, you can write yes. Which name have you given to your pet? If you have, then that name you have to write. Now, even though you have pet or not, but it's the common things that we need to discuss it. What do you do when your pet is hungry? Okay, if you have pet or not, but you just think about that if that pet gets angry or hungry, what you will do? Of course, we will give food, right? Then if it is teased by someone, okay, so what we will do? Yeah, we will take that pet inside our house and preventing them to be teased by anybody, right? If it gets hurt, of course we will do first aid, right? Or we will stop that person from doing so. Feeling hot or cold, we apply medicine or we will provide such facilities that can help them, right? Okay, it was told you in earlier that why do we keep such a pet? The reason we have to write. If we are keeping dog, most of the purpose for keeping dog is the provide security. In other cases, people keeps for their entertainment or for their love towards the pets, right? Okay. What we keep, which animal we do keep for milk purpose. So I've written cow and buffalo, but goat, sheep can come, even the camel. Okay. You might be surprised to know is camel's milk is really very good in nutrition and highly rich in protein. Okay, and the healing properties it have. Okay, horse, camel can pull the cart, even ox, cat we are keeping because we love it. It's so cute, right? Hen, it lays eggs. Fish, it is believed to lucky, right? For us, even Feng Shui believes that fish brings the fortune to us. Okay, rabbit, we love it. Honeybee, that gives honey. Okay, today we are going to start our actual session from page number 132. Here, bird bath. Okay, take a small earthen pot having a wide mouth. Here, it is called earthen pot. Tie the pot with a rope and hang it as shown in the picture. Pour some water in the pot and hang it on the branch of a tree or on a hook outside your house. Pour water in it every day. Observe which birds come to drink water. Actually, it's not compulsory, but if your parents allow and you like to do such things, then you can bring earthen pot and can do as it is given. Okay, now think and write. Like us, animal also need water to live. Okay, there are many other things which are required by both animals and humans. Write the names of 3 such things. Okay, for the basic purpose to live, for the basic things that we require to be alive, that is water, air and sunlight. Actually humans and animals both require, right? Okay, now think and tell. You know that we eat a variety of food. Similarly, animals too eat different kinds of food. Have you ever fed any animal? आपने किसी भी एनिमल को खिलाया है? Have you ever seen anyone else feeding animal? क्या आपने किसी और को देखा है किसी को खिलाते हुए? Okay, these names I have written because I have fed them. You can write your own experience yourself. If any animal you have fed in the past, okay, you can write the name and what you fed them. Okay, what do you give the food to eat? So that food names you have to write over here. Okay, think and write. That you have to do yourself, but I'll read the question for you. What do you feed these birds? मतलब हम पक्षियों को क्या खिलाते हैं? Which bird did you feed? अगर आज तक आपने किसी को खिलाया है कोई बर्ड को, तो आपने क्या खिलाया है? Which bird did most children feed? Then do you have these names in your list? Find out what these animals eat. Okay, if you don't have these animals in this list, then you can think कि ये एनिमल्स क्या खाते हैं? Rat, squirrel, cockroach, monkey, pig, spider, bat, lizard, crow. Okay, think and write. Write about any animal or bird who had eaten away your food. मतलब ऐसे कोई पक्षी या एनिमल के बारे में लिखो जो आपका फूड खा गए हो. Okay, the first strike will be in your mind, that is monkey. I think so. Okay, this is totally your homework. I'll read the question for you. Understand and match. Who eats what? Match by drawing lines of different colors. You can choose different colors, okay, for each, so that you won't be confused. Alright? Recollect and write. Write the names of the animals you have touched. ऐसे एनिमल्स का नाम लिखो जिनको आपने टच किया हो. यू हैव नॉट टच्ड बट यू कैन टच. ऐसे एनिमल्स कि जिसको आपने टच नहीं किया लेकिन कर सकते हो. यू कैन नॉट टच. ओके, द very first example I would like to give is a lion, right? Do you ever think you can touch? Of course not. Right? Because it's a wild animal. We cannot touch it. Okay. So here you have to write the rest of the examples. Okay, now this is the picture of the Queen's Garden. Read this picture and discuss in the class. Okay, here this I will leave it on you. You must read this story at least 3 times, and then what conclusion you get after reading this story, you'll have to make the video and share it to me. By reading the story, what you come to know and what should queen do after getting the reply of this helper, okay, or the gardener? You have to tell me through the video. Okay, thank you.